fucking moron! Wanker! Dickhead! Oh, you cunt. Why do people do that? Sit in a fucking line of traffic waiting, and then as soon as it moves, they fucking indicate. Why couldn't you indicate sooner? Then I wouldn't have sat behind you. Fucking retard. Where the fuck is that bus going? Do you know what a fucking red light looks like? Fucking going over it, cunt! Dickhead. Absolute dickhead. That light was red for him a long time before he fucking went over it. Piece of shit. Swat. Fucking swat. Thank you! Arsehole. Really winds me up when people do that. Like, just a simple, you know, wave of the hand, flash of the lights, something like that. Don't just be a fucking ignorant cunt. Fucking annoying when you've got to sit behind a cyclist like this. I don't feel like there's enough space to get past them safely, so this is my only option. It's just so bloody slow. Did he just go over that red light? I was looking at St. Kells. I'm sure he fucking did. He had loads of time to stop for that. Loads of time. It didn't even get them that far. 1 minute later, and I've caught back up to them and going past them. You prick. Cyclist. Why are you in the road? There's a perfectly good pavement there, but you choose to walk in the road in the dark wearing dark clothes. You fucking idiot. It's not a green light for you.